Hi guys, welcome back to the Oracle Integration Cloud online course. So in this lecture, we are going to look at how to integrate ServiceNow and Salesforce. So in this demo, we will look at how to raise a case into the Salesforce and convert this case into the create incident. So we will create an integration with the help of Integration Cloud, which will capture the raise case event from the Salesforce, will convert it into the incident and will send this incident to the ServiceNow. For this, we will do a couple of configuration in the Salesforce because I need to create a business workflow rule and then outbound message as we have seen in the earlier lectures of the Salesforce. So let's get started and we'll show you how this integration can be done with the help of Integration Cloud. Let me just log in. Okay, so here I have just logged in into the Salesforce. So in the Salesforce, first I will create a workflow rule. So in order to create a workflow rule, I need to go onto the setup from here, gear icon, and then click on a setup. And under the setup, you need to search the rules and then click on the workflow rules under this process automation. So here I will create a rule on a case object. So in integration in Salesforce, there is a object called case, and here I will create a new rule on the case. So case object will be used to raise the cases. So here I will choose the case object and then next. And here I will give the rule name learning case rule. Okay, similarly I will choose this created and anytime it's edited to the subsequently meet criteria, and here I will choose the status, and here I will choose equals, and then if status equals to new, then fire this rule and then save and next. Then here I will choose the action. I will choose new outbound message, and I will create a new outbound message like learning case outbound. Okay. For the time being, I will choose the dummy URL as www.google.com, and later I will replace this with the URL of Integration Cloud. I will select all the fields and then add here. Okay, and then save. My rule, learning case rule, and the outbound message is ready. Click on a edit and cancel. Click on this rule, and from here you need to click for Whistle. So here I will download the Whistle. Click save, and here I will save my Whistle. Case outbound dot Whistle. Okay, now I have just downloaded this Whistle. Now I will create a integration. So integration I will create based on the app-driven orchestration pattern. App-driven orchestration pattern, and then select. Here I'll say learning sales force to service now integration. Okay, and then click on a create button. Here, since the case will be raised in the Salesforce, so I wanted to capture the Salesforce event. For this, I will choose my Salesforce connection because I wanted to capture the Salesforce event. The trigger point will be my Salesforce adapter. Get case, and then next. Similarly, I'll choose my outbound visual, which I have downloaded in the previous step. Choose file and then case outbound visual. Okay, and then next, and I disable this send a response, and then next, and then finish. Now my Salesforce adapter is configured. As a second step, I need to configure my ServiceNow adapter because I wanted to call the ServiceNow to create an incident here. For this, I'll just give an endpoint name like incident, or you can say create incident, and then click on the next button. Here you can choose any action like create, update, or delete information. You can query the ServiceNow, or you can attachment information. I will use create, update, or delete, and then next. On the next screen, there are two tabs. One is browse application and the second is search module table. So I will choose select, and I will choose browse application, and I will choose create new record in the selected module or table, and from here you can select the application. So here I have a application called incident. Just select it. Once you select it, it will select the module incident and then incident task. I will choose this incident and then next. And then simply finish. Now I need to do mapping here. So open this mapper, and here you can see there are a lot of fields under incident as well as in the case of Salesforce. Here you can see there are a couple of fields which can come when you raise a case. Similarly, in an incident also there are couple of fields. So here go to this ServiceNow and then here search incident and click on a create new. So when you click on a create new, you can see couple of options here, right? When you raise a incident here, you can select the contact type, like it is email, phone, self-service, and then state, new, in progress, impact. You can select urgency, priority, category, subcategory, service, short description, and other related stuff. Similarly, if you go to the Salesforce, let me just try to switch here. Switch to the Salesforce Classic, sorry. Switch to Salesforce Classic and then go to switch to Lightning Experience. Under more, you can see a case. And now click on a new. Whenever you click on a new button, here a new case form will be there. And here also you have a status new, you have a priority, high, medium, low. But here if you see, here we have an impact like 1 high, 2 medium, and 3 low. Similarly, you have the case origin, phone, email, web, and here you have a contact type, email, phone, self-service, walk-in. You have short description here, you have a subject and then description, and similarly we have a description. So we will map couple of fields. Now we have a contact type here, and here we have a case origin under Salesforce. So I will search our origin here, and here I will select contact type. Okay, so I will map origin to contact type. Okay, similarly I will map subject and then short description. So here I will choose subject, and here I have a short description. Similarly, I have a description here. Here also I have a description. Just map description to description. Oh, sorry, not this one. Uh, Description and then description. Okay. Now here I need to map. I need to convert a couple of things here. Here you can see the priority is high, medium, low. But here is impact is 1 high, 2 medium, and then 3 low. Now here in the Salesforce, I only have high, medium, low. So once high will be selected from the Salesforce, I wanted to convert into the 1 high. Okay. For this, here we have an impact. Okay. So here I will choose an impact, and here I have a priority. Okay. So I will just massage the data. So click on accessibility. I will take an help of accessibility to here we what we have impact. Okay. Under accessibility, I will use the choose. So right click on a impact and then click on a create target node. Okay, and then choose it and make a just drop it here. When this green line comes, then you need to drop it over here. Here, make sure it is above the impact. Okay, now here you can see choose when and then impact. Now here priority, and now you just map this priority to the when. And here you can make a condition like priority high, and then and under impact right click, sorry, click, simply click on this and then you can say 1 high. So here what I'm doing is I'm just making condition if priority is high, then impact will be converted into 1 high. Okay. Now just choose when again and then just drop it under when. When you see this green line, then only you need to drop it here. And when is again there, and under when you have another impact. So again I'll choose priority here, and then here I will select medium, and now again click on an impact, and now to medium. Okay, and then this. Again make one more condition, again select when and then drop it here. Make sure whenever it is the green, then you drop it here when. Similarly, again go to the priority and then drop it on the when. And now make another condition if it is low, and then impact will be 3 low. Okay, now I have made the conversion. Go to the code section to make sure whatever condition you have added has been added correctly. Here you can see priority equals to high, then I will send 1 high in the impact. If it is medium, then I will send 2 medium. If it is low, then I will send 3 low. And here you can see 3 low. Okay, just validate this and then close. You can map other fields as well as per your requirement, but for the time being I will only use these fields. Okay, now save this and then enable the tracking. Now my integration is completed. Organization ID and then save this and then close. Now my integration is completed. Now I need to update the endpoint URL of my integration. So here, just activate your integration, enable tracing, include payload, and then activate. Okay. Now just click on this and take a metadata URL from there. This endpoint URL. Okay. Make sure you copied the whole URL here till last slash. Oh, make sure you select this and then take this till last slash. Don't select the visitor. Okay. Go back here and then edit this and then edit the endpoint. Okay. Okay. Now just say. Now at the last step, I need to activate my rule. Click on a workflow rule and then whatever rule you have created, learning case rule. Okay. Activate. Let me see if another rule is okay. Now my rule which I have created here has been activated, learning case rule. Now just try to raise a case in a Salesforce. Okay. Select high. Case origin, you can select phone and then you can select impacted couple of mobile devices. Can you repair all the impacted mobile devices? Okay. I simply select a priority and then case origin is phone and then under subject and then description and then save. Now my case has been raised with this particular case ID. Now go back and go to the monitoring and make sure you should get an incident here. Here you can see learning Salesforce ServiceNow integration, one received, one processed, and one succeeded. Go to the incident, go back, and here select this incidents, okay, under self-service. Sorry, incident under service desk. Here you can see this is the incident which has been created here. You can see the contact type phone, state new, impact is high because we have selected high and it has been selected one high. Urgency and priority will be selected automatically. And here you can see the short description and then description which we have one. So this is how you can convert your cases into the incident into the ServiceNow. This is how you can make Salesforce to ServiceNow integration. That's all for this lecture. If you need any help, let me know. Thanks. Bye bye.